Kate. I can't have a dead master. Oh, hey, Uncle Big Bro, it's okay. Don't be sad. Oh. Neary school, Neary school. Come together, Neary school, Neary school. Jason Snappy Pigeon, Jason Diamond, Peter Cat, our Big Joe, Piggy, Blue Guy, and Big Bird. Hello, everybody. Hi. Oh, hi there, Snappy. Oh, hi, Snappy. Whoa, Mr. Paper feels sad. What's the matter? Oh, Peter Cat. Tell him the Snappy guy feels sad. Why feels sad? Oh. Well, he's sad because it's my birthday. I wanna do. Mr. Big Bird feels sad because it's birthday. But birthdays are happy. Happy is. Well, how come the Big Bird feels sad? I can't be Peter Cat. Yep, tell him. Okay. Uncle Big Bird feels sad on his birthday because they're too armed. That's why. Old? Oh, what's that? How old are you, Mr. Big Bird? Wait. Pete, tell him I'm on a birthday. I can't say it. Well, he's what body is on? That's wow, 40 years, and that's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Wow, that's a lot of years. I know that. That's why I'm sad. Sorry. Hey, hold it, Uncle Big Bird. Cut the crying, 'cause I love you. Oh, I don't want to be sad. I want to be happy. Yeah, I want Mr. Big Bird happy too. Yeah, sorry guys, no can do. I stand on my birthday, and that's it. No, it isn't. Hey, I got an idea. I went to birthday party. Yeah, with the cake and presents. Yeah, you want your uncle? Oh yeah. Come on, Stuffy, let's do it. Okay, Peter Cat. Oh, don't worry, Mr. Big Bird. Snuffy and Peter Cat may feel happy. Let's see. Good luck. You join us from the birthday party. Đưa mì ở một bên. Still a bit. My Để tờ mà tài. Big bird. Are you sure about her? Are we happy? Now phải right chứ. Hay còn gì? Còn gì? Hey! Hey, dạy mấy chân. Trời ơi. Hey, I happy. Hey, my favorite fire. Great. My fire die here. You get too old. Hey, Mr. Big Bird feel happy yet? Not yet. Snuffy died. How did you jump from here? Jump out too was sad. I fight too old. Hey, John. Hey, yeah. I'm birthday party today. I'm playing up the cake. Hey, Joe, a piggy! I jumped the birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Big Bird. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Hey! Yeah, man, my year was fun. That's too much of a... Yeah, I've been blind, right? Too much fun and fun. Yeah, I'm fun, yeah. Hey. Yeah, nice too. Now blow the candle out. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, that's why I'm jumping. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you did it happy, yeah. Yeah, happy now. You happy here, man? Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, bye. Yeah, my boy. You cause it's open your presents. Yeah, you good. The phone. Let me write the show. Sorry, with you later. Hey, I want to build up a straw, and I want to build up a sticks. I want to build up a bricks. Yeah. You did. No problem. Yeah. Right. Yeah. You're happy now for the day. Yeah, now stop recording, please. Yeah, you're better.
You don't have to go deep into buildings. You don't need to run with super speed. You just have to be ready and able to help out when somebody's in need. Be an everyday hero while at school or at home or at play. An everyday hero. Just show kindness and caring each day. Yay. playing. If you think that they might need a friend, you can paint your grandparents a picture. Make a card for them that you can send.
Da-da-da, be an everyday hero. Having to a home of a day. Da-da-da, be an everyday hero. To show kindness and caring each day.
Donate your old books and your toys to set the table for mom or for dad. Share your best toy with your brother, or go cheer up somebody who said, no, you can't fly. You're not made of steel. But when you're kind,
Why did your kind?
hero
For real, and be an everyday hero. Wanna to a home of a day. Da-da-da, be an everyday hero.
just show kindness and caring each day. Show kindness and caring each day. Show kindness and caring each
Double kind
day.
day.